Hello, I'm Banjay, or you can call me Jess. I run an event company and I'm teaching you guys how to be event planners. For this series, I'm doing how to make a table centerpiece. This is episode 3. If you haven't watched the previous 2 episodes, go to my YouTube channel and watch. Please subscribe, share, and enjoy the video. Leave a comment, tell me how I can improve this, what you'd like to see. Do you want to know where I source for my stuff? Please share, subscribe, and be nice. Thank you. This is method 3. At first, you'll start with a flower like this one. Put it inside the glass. I want you to create such an effect. You see? It's wonderful, right? You can also take your candle. It's a lead candle. Light it up. It's a button here to light it up. And then put it inside the glass like that. Then when you're done, we're going to repeat what we did last time. We're going to go in with the baby breath and then put them around the glass. Yeah? Just like that. You put them until the glass is full like that. And continue adding the baby breath until there are no spaces left. Yeah? You have to be a little bit careful because of the candle. There are so many things going on right now. Yeah? I'm kind of excited about this one. When you're done, you go in with the roses, right? So we'll start with the right outer corner. This is how the final looks like. And bring it close. I had to change the flower to a small one on the bottom and add in a leaf. I left the light, and this is how it looks like. Very nice. It will stand out on its own, but it will not overshadow everything happening at your event. Tell me how you like it.